Hi dear friend, welcome back to my another video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix your mouse scrolling problem. So to fix your mouse scroll problem, keep watching this video till the end. And before you start the video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button of this video. So let's get started. First of all, search here control panel, then open it. After that, from the view option, choose small icons. Now from here, find out mouse option and open it. Then you will see here some option. First one is button option. So from the button option, you have to make sure that it is in the middle of this line. Okay. If you see it's near the slow, then drag it into the middle. That's it. Now click on wheel. You will see here vertical and horizontal scrolling option. As you can see here, it is in 3 by default. You can change it according to your needs, but system recommended 3 is best. If you see it's lower than 3, then you can change it to the 3. If you see this true value is already 3, then you can increase it little bit. Suppose I'm gonna change it to the 4. After change it, just click on apply, then click on OK. And now check your scrolling button. I hope this will fix your problem. If it is not fix your problem, then maybe you have problem in your mouse hardware. Thanks for watching this video.